everyone, it's Ling Teacher. I hope you've all been keeping healthy, wearing your masks and washing your hands. So, today we are going to learn about something interesting. Have you ever wondered where rain comes from? Well, today we are going to learn about something called the water cycle. The water cycle is the cycle in which water travels around the world. So, I have a little PowerPoint prepared for you to show you exactly how the water cycle works. So here we see the water cycle. First, the sun shines down onto the ocean and heats it up. This makes the water particles go up into the sky. This part is called evaporation. Evaporation. Once all the particles move up into the sky, they all come together and start forming clouds. This part of the water cycle is called condensation. Condensation. Once the clouds have formed, the wind starts blowing them all over the world. As you can see, the cloud has now moved from the ocean over land. Once the clouds get really full of water particles, they become very heavy. And then it starts to rain. Or, if it's really cold, it even starts to snow. This part is called precipitation. Precipitation. All of that rainwater then starts collecting or coming together in different places, like in rivers and streams or in lakes. Some of that water even goes underground. Can we pause? Now, some of that water doesn't go into the streams and rivers. It gets sucked into the ground to form underground water. It's very easy, water that is underground. Now, all of these rivers and streams and underground water flow back into the sea, where it gets heated up by the sun once again. It evaporates again. It condenses and forms clouds again. The wind blows it around again. It rains or snows again. And this all happens over and over and over. This is why it's called a cycle. The water cycle. So, let's go over the main parts of the water cycle one more time. Evaporation. When the sun heats the water of the ocean and the water particles float up into the sky. Condensation. When the water particles come together and make clouds. Precipitation. When the water particles become so heavy that they fall to the ground in snow form or in rain form. And collection. When all the water that has fallen from the sky collects in the rivers or streams or underground and goes back into the ocean. I hope you guys think that the water cycle is as interesting as I do. Goodbye!